Hello. We'll share this to the Facebook. Hold on one second. Hello. Welcome. This is going to be a trick in itself. Decline. Alright. So let me get up on a perch here. I hope everybody's doing good. There we go. And I was just going to have some fun today and unbox these bad boys. I've got a couple of new tools that I've got to unbox. Hey, that mail lady ain't over there, is she? All right. Got to make sure we get the mail out today, guys and gals. All right, let me get a few tools here. So this is the Hotian 80-watt MOPA portable that Pascal sent me. And we're going to be taking this to the Lightburn experience, showing it off. 350. I said 350. Yeah, you got to pay the toll. Well, I must warn you, I'm live on YouTube. Yes. So, you guys can, you guys are more than welcome to watch. But this is the 80-watt Hotian. Oh, yeah. So, I'm live on YouTube. Yeah, so you guys want to, let's chat. All right. So, the 80-watt, you had a question? Oh, yeah, well, that's a lot. But this is an 80-watt MOPA from Hotian. Pascal sent me to go to Lightburn with next weekend. And I've got to see if it'll fit this Index X table that Benjamin sent me from Australia. So we can showcase that bad boy also. So that's what I'm doing. But this is a laser. Are you good? What time's the birthday party? 11 o'clock. Good Lord. Oh, Thanksgiving? Yeah. Uh, I'm gonna have rollerblades on. Hey, did you get it started? Oh, is it running? What's up? Yeah. Well, I guess I should probably get out of the way. I need a crowbar. No, I don't. I don't need one. I got this little bar right here. Oh, you need a piece of wood or something? He said. Oh, the box is breaking. You know, Pascal, I know you're watching this. You need to lay off on the 4-inch staples. I'm trying not to destroy this box. Oh, slow going here. I guess in a minute I'll be trudging right along. I got a broken TV here. I gotta go throw it in the trash. We moved it and busted the screen. I don't know how, because we took great care and exercised plenty of caution as one normally would when moving. Nice. A movie night. Movie night. That sounds fun. What's up, Mr. Shine Flow? Hey, this might help there, Davo. Yeah, maybe. Hey, you guys. Good Lord. It's just gonna break. Oh well. Such is life. And once again, you girls, I'm on live Facebook. So just to let you know, y'all, the world is seeing you. I don't care what you do, just don't do no girls gone wild stuff behind us, which I'm sure they probably can refrain themselves. Oh, there you go. Oh, we're getting close to opening this laser sarcophagus. I think it's the tape. You think it's the tape that's on? Wow. I can pull those staples out later. Cool. Oh, Charles, of course. All right. I want to get these staples out of here. Well, that's why these were in this thing. All right. Dave, what are you doing on that table? That phone's right there is shaking all around. Do it on that table. The phone's on this table, and them legs wobble. Yeah. If Autumn watches, she'll get seasick. All right, here we go. We'll see what this guy's all about. All right, we have our ruler. Take me to your ruler. Here's our ruler. Oh, wow. Oh, he sent us plenty of stickers so we can give them away if we need to. Thank you, Pascal. So if y'all come to see me at Lightburn Experience, I may or may not have a Hotian sticker for you. We've got a couple surprises for the laser world. Okay, so this is a little different than my other portable laser. Dave, look at this one. This one's way different. Way bigger. Yeah. Stay away from the table. All right. This is not very heavy though. That's good. Okay, so this just breaks down off of it, so the umbilical still stays attached. Huh. So, yeah, this one's the same but different. It still comes apart. That's a little bit of a trick to get that connected and in our hole here. I guess I get the phone and show you. And I'm gonna make everybody seasick now. So this has got a little quick connect here. And then we'll shove that down in this hole. And then the tower will stand up on this. So I'll work on doing that real quick. Probably try to pull it out to where everybody can see it. I'm going to plug this guy back in. That's pretty easy. And if my understanding is correct, our boy Zach helped design this, which is super cool. All right, awesome. So I'm sure there's some bolts in here. Oh, so we got the same amenities that we normally get with lasers. We've got a foot pedal, which our friend over at 24/7, Jessica, she swears by the foot pedals. I don't use them that much, but although I should. So normal cabling, power cord, etc. Nice looking molded power cord. So we've got our EasyCAD dongle in there, which we won't be using completely. Well, we'll use it initially, right? What's up, Brad? So I gotta save this. We're gonna have to box all this stuff back up. Yeah, my boy Brad, huh? Oh, BZ Rad. Oh, well, now that's wicked cool. So the ring that holds this down, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. It's probably a little hard to visualize, but the ring that holds this in place allows the tower itself to rotate. If I line the stinking holes up, right? I'll be doing good. Oh, may have the wrong screw. I do have the wrong screw. It's these little guys. I didn't realize there's two different size screws in there, so I just grabbed a handful of them and quickly learned that that's not correct. Yeah, so check it out, sauerkraut. This one turns whenever I get this locked down. Screws are two different sizes. I think you got nope. That's so you need that one. Uh, no, the bigger ones are for the breadboard. Look at that pack. Yeah, they're in that pack right there, right behind you, in that Ziploc bag. I mean, they're laying everywhere, but there's some in there too. Oh, there should be. Is there not? Oh, well, I've got some over. Okay, I got some now. I was like, he wouldn't not send Allens without Allen wrenches, but I got these. Yeah, so you put this down, and so this guy right here, like rotate, or I would imagine. You probably got it locked down too tight, but it was turning. There we go. Yeah, so this guy rotates. So if you need to do something, whatever. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna grab the phone. So you bolt this ring to the breadboard, and this guy will articulate, or not articulate. I'm sorry, rotate. This is an 80-watt MOPA. Yeah, this is an 80-watt though. But yeah, we're gonna take it back apart, put it back in this box anyway. But yeah, so it'll rotate, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you could have something pretty big hanging off the side. And of course we got our glasses, but I'm gonna grab this thing out of here. Put this, and it's got the Z. The Z knob is. Oh, that's really easy to turn. Like it's pretty wicked. Not quite as easy to turn going up, but I can still do it with one finger. So yeah, it is still connected via umbilical. So, but this can be taken off to transport easier. which I mean the overall footprint of it's not very tall anyway. Um, it looks really nice. All right, moving right along. Now I'm gonna unbox this Thunderbolt because it's been sitting here for a freaking week or longer. I don't even know. Put all these goodies back in here with it. Oh, I need to look at the back. I can't tell if it's got a 3 or a 4 pin for the rotary because the Index X table needs a 4 pin. Oh, you can leave it on there for a little bit. All right, well, here, I'm going to tighten this one down over here so I can move it. Actually, maybe that one too. You got to make sure. There's the melody. I just heard her. All right, the melody's here. Yeah, she's just pulling up. You nailed it right on the head, pretty much. Okay, put our power cord in there. These are my good Allen wrenches that Pascal sent me years ago with a different laser. Let's see how heavy it is. Oof. It ain't super heavy, but my toe is under the pallet. And it has a 4-pin connector. That's cool. So I need to show Ben that, do we trust it right there? We're live. I mean, we don't want to drop this thing live. Like dropping the newborn baby. Oh, no. Sorry. I was just putting it in there because it was trying to jack my brother's tools, which that's just what we do. All right. Okay, so now that we got this bad boy out, that's what the overall footprint. And pay no attention to the mess behind the curtain. Yeah. So this one has. I thought he told me it had. I don't remember if he said it had a motorized Z or not, but pretty sweet. All right, so I will put y'all on the higher perch now because I've got this guy. So now we'll unbox this Thunder. And then over here, real quick, I will show the Index X real fast. I gotta clean it off. I got Glocks everywhere. So this is the Index X parts marking table. It is very, very, very cool and useful because you can queue up a bunch of parts make this section here your work area. It basically works off of the rotary function. So instead of us turning in a circular rotation, we're just breaking that circle and turning it into a table. And so if you've got a 200 millimeter lens, you can laser an 8x8 or what have you. Here, I'll put this here. So the idea is obviously the Galvo will be here. This table will go all the way down to make this right here your work area. So it would laser, 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 and then index to a new work area. Laser, 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 laser. And then I'm going to hit this laser, or I'm going to hit the portable if I don't move over. But then it would index again. Laser, laser, laser. So it has a fair amount of travel, about 700 millimeters, which is more than 3 times your 200 millimeter lens. So that's what I got. I didn't want to do all this, but today actually, but I need to get this stuff out of my way because I have an entire pallet of MDF that's going to be sitting here in about 3 days. So I was dragging my feet to open this bolt because, well, I truly don't have an inherent need for it at right now at this current moment. I should have bought another Nova Thunder and not this because, like I said, I'm about to have an entire pallet of MDF to cut for Amazon. And I was just joking with our buddy Anka last night. She had a god awful amount of cups to do. I think she said there was about 800 cups she was doing. She's still up there? I need to get that mail up there. Can you get this to the mail? You're alive. Will you get it to the camera? I mean, the camera to the mail lady.
I need to go run over there.
Well, I mean, she'll be there for about 10 or 15 minutes. I just asked her. All right. No, I was asking you to go give those to her. But no. I was asking to go give them to her. But it's all right. She's good. Communication. I seen something about communication. But anyway, I was talking to Anka, and she had like a god awful amount of cups to do or something. Glasses. I think it was like 800 of them. I was like, yeah, everybody wants them big jobs. So they get them big jobs and lose sleep till they get done. Drum roll. Where's my drummer? We'll see what it looks like. This is a big box. I thought this was a little baby laser. It's not a little baby laser. That is a big laser. My gosh. I thought it was a little bitty tiny guy. My word. All right, we'll see what kind of goodies we got real quick. Laser spot mode. The key. So we have a key, some lens cleaning, swabs. Hey, some Moss Allen wrenches that is missing one. It's missing two, actually. Maybe that's because you don't need those two. I don't know, but it's missing three. So it's missing the 1.5, the 2.5, and the 5, I believe. Yeah, 1.5, 2.5, and 6. Anyway, hopefully that's just because we don't need them. That still seems a bit erroneous to send you half of a set, because it is a tool. And in case you get any boogers. Is this for you in case you get boogers?
Okay.
Yeah. So if you get laser boogers. Look at this, Dave. I thought it was a baby laser. I'm like, oh yeah, it's a little guy. That is not a little guy. Like, it takes up the whole thing.
It's almost as big as the one that you have.
Yeah. Like, this is replacing a Mira 7. And I was like, oh, I'll get this Thunderbolt because it's smaller than the Mira. Which it is, indeed, smaller than the Mira. But, oh my gosh. No. What small? Wow. Excellent packaging, then. Okay. So if you're wondering exactly how big it is, this is how big it is. And let's give us a unit of measurement here. Which I've got these things laying everywhere in my shop. Fabric tapes. They're amazing. And they come in my sampler kits. What? All right. So this thing, I'm sure you can get the dimensions off the website, but it is 3 feet and what appears to be 3/8. So 36 inches, 3/8 by approximately 28 by from the flow to the top, about 19. And then the door's going to open. That swing would be about 20 here. So about 33, 34 inches you would need overhead at a minimum. I would believe that to be true. There was another strap on the bottom I didn't even cut. All right. Now, go gadget, get on the table. I forgot to put batteries in the gadget thingy. How heavy is it? Oh, it ain't that bad. It truly isn't that bad. He got his car started. All right. Thunder also owns Saran Wrap brand, so they're. And apparently there's like a whole plethora of lenses and everything else you can buy for this guy. I just got it how it came because I am only going to use it for cups. Because I got the big Thunder over here if I ever need to cut stuff. I mean, not that I would never cut anything with this, because it is capable of cutting, but that just wasn't the overall intention of it. And I was talking to Robert a couple of weeks ago, and he told me it was very cool that you could set 2 different origins on this machine simultaneously, which is kind of cool and not normal as far as the big scheme of laser things go. check it out. It's got a little AC. Well, it's not a AC Infinity, but look at the little exhaust fan that's already built into it. That's pretty wicked. Uh, I wish they would have did that here. Of course, that's my fan I added. And I got it held up here with a magnet. So I can move the fan wherever I want to. And also another magnet there to hold the hose. Yeah, so this is this little guy here. Look at how precious it is. Well, we got more work to do because this honeycomb will come out. And I've got another tool that I was able to get that I'm going to put you back up here so we can see it. And I already opened it, so just to make sure it wasn't broke. But we got the Roco twister tray. So the idea with this guy right here, of course, it's going to go in the machine similar to this, but the idea for this guy right here is you'll be able to put, with a short enough rail, you'll be able to put your rotary in there and clamp it down. So this is straight with the bed, and this will be square with this because we've got alignment marks here to make sure that our extruded aluminum is straight with this tray. And the factory Z height clearance is, well, hold on, I don't have to misquote this because the folks over at Roco Computer Creations, everybody Robert, has a 4.3 inch Z depth. So just a little bit taller than like a large Yeti cup, just a little bit. And so that doesn't leave any room for the bottom of the rotary and the leveling feet and all that good stuff. So what Roco did here was he ended up replacing the honeycomb table with this, and we gain now an additional 2.7, I believe. Yeah, 2.7 inches. So that's basically what this is right here, 2.7 inches additional depth. So you could do, hopefully the idea is to do these guys right here. Those kind of cups, the 40-ounce Stanleys. So, but I will get this thing put together. I'm mainly concerned right now is just to get it out of my way. So I'll get to play with it later on, but looks pretty solid. I give it 2 thumbs up so far. So we'll do some videos of us using it. And now me and Big Daddy here has got to get this thing up on here. So, yeah, for sure. Yeah, you don't need the chiller because it's an RF tube, air controlled. So, very cool. But I appreciate you guys watching. And I'll do another video when we get this thing all in its house. Very cool. So, hopefully the Index X table will work on this because we do have a 4-pin rotary. And that'll go up on top of here, bolt down, and make it look cool. So y'all come see us at Lightburn. If you got tickets, we'll have a table there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So be there or be square. If you didn't make it this year, definitely come check us out next year. So hopefully this will be an annual event, and maybe they'll move it all around the country. So it'll be kind of cool. So anyhow, thanks for watching. See you next time.